Nagpunta ang Knowledge Channel Foundation Incorporated sa Olongapo City, dala-dala ang Knowledge Channel TV at Portable Media Library para sa isang turnover ceremony kasama ang Subic Enerzone Corporation. Opisyal na tinanggap ng Special Education Center for the Gifted ang gift mula sa Enerzone at Knowledge Channel na pinangungunahan ni Engineer Warrell Kernsario, Subic Enerzone Corporation AVP and General Manager, at ni Ms. Liberty Reyes, Resource Mobilization Manager ng Knowledge Channel. Kasama sa turnover ceremony si Ms. Leilani Samson Punanan, Schools Division Superintendent ng DepEd Olongapo, Ms. Filomena Pascual, SPED-G Principal, at ang kanilang mga kaguruan sa SPED-G.
I think the best investment talaga, it should be in education. Because when you invest in education, wala pong lugi, wala pong talo yun. No? Lahat po ng mga tulong, ng mga resources na binabahagi po niyo sa amin, it will not go to waste, but rather it will go a long, long way kasi mas marami po itong matutulungan. Sila po talaga yung rason kung bakit meron tayong mga ganitong mga activities, meron tayong mga sharing of resources, sharing of time, sharing of guidance, because we wanted to provide the best education for our children, for our learners.
Sinundan ito ng isang technical training para maibahagi kung paano gamitin ang kanilang bagong Knowledge Channel TV at Portable Media Library.